There are two types of adjustments that we do here at Healing Hands. The first one is a manual or diversified adjustment, which is what most people think of when they think of chiropractors. The second type of adjustment is using a handheld device called an activator. The first adjustment I'm going to demonstrate is the manual adjustment. So we're going to start with the mid-back. Big breath in and good. Now we're going to get you on your side. We're going to do the low back adjustment. Good. And now we're going to do the neck adjustment.